The Okoya family is one of the wealthiest in Nigeria. Known as the Old Money family, they are often called the House of Gold. Chief Razaq Okoya, born in Lagos, rose from humble beginnings to become a titan of Nigerian industry. His journey, a testament to hard work and vision, began with a modest loan of £20. He initially started by importing jewelry, then expanded into producing household items such as cutlery, chairs, electric fans, cosmetics, diapers and pens. His company, Elegance Group, employs over 5,000 people across more than 10 factories, and its products are popular in Nigeria and neighboring countries. Okoya's story is one of relentless ambition and a keen eye for opportunity. Today, his net worth is estimated to be over $650 million. He's a philanthropist, a patron of the arts, and a respected community leader. And what better symbol of his success than the magnificent Okoya Mansion, a testament to his achievements and a beacon of his enduring legacy. Today we'll take you inside Okoya Mansion in Lekki, Lagos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like. Okoya's mansion stands as a monument to extravagance. The private compound is designed to give the billionaire both privacy and ultimate luxury. The mansion's sheer size is breathtaking, a sprawling complex of buildings, courtyards and gardens that occupies several acres. A private oasis in the heart of bustling Lagos. Fountains gurgle with a rhythmic flow, a soothing counterpoint to the city's constant hum. As you approach the main gate, a gigantic 4.5-meter-tall wrought iron gate, adorned with intricate designs, swings open, offering a glimpse into a world of unimaginable luxury where no expense is spared. Passing through this gate, the mansion welcomes you with a display of luxurious cars, which we'll discuss a little later, so stick around. The driveway, paved with imported marble, leads to the main entrance, where the real spectacle begins. Okoya Mansion is not just a house, it's an architectural marvel that seamlessly blends classic European design with traditional African aesthetics. The mansion's facade is a masterpiece with towering columns, intricate moldings and arched windows. Inside you'll find a world of unparalleled luxury. The family is called the House of Gold for a reason. The mansion is decorated extensively with gold. This home is designed for indulgence, a playground for the elite and elite only. The living room features a 44-foot-high ceiling in a classical design. Look up, and you'll be captivated by a jaw-dropping chandelier with over 1,000 hand-cut Swarovski crystals. Look around, you would notice the luxurious chairs and tables only used by the elites and kings, designed with thick rugs. Everything here is screaming money. I know you would like to sit back in the living room, but let me take you to the closet of Mrs. Okoya. If you are blindfolded here, you would think you entered a fashion store in the heart of Lagos. Expansive bags, shoes, jewelry, shoes. Only the billionaire can experience this. The closet is as big as a 3-bedroom apartment in Lekki. One of the most expensive pieces here is the Hermes Himalaya, valued between $100,000 and $400,000. The mansion has over 30 bedrooms, each designed for a luxurious experience. There's even a full-sized bowling area. Around the mansion, you'll find sculptures, each telling its own story, along with elevators that connect all parts of the estate. The mansion includes a ballroom for family gatherings, a private cinema with plush velvet seats and state-of-the-art sound, and an indoor pool with adjustable temperature for any occasion. Before we head back outside to see the luxurious cars and facilities, don't forget, Stunner Homes is an architectural company where you can design your home's interior and exterior and create 3D animations. You can also advertise your property on our platform. Need drone videography and photography in Abuja? Contact the email on your screen. Outside there's a standard tennis court and plenty of space to host a party. The Okoyas are fans of luxurious cars, each with a customized plate number. There are vintage cars as well. Which car would you love most? Let us know in the comments.